forgot to hit record when I drilled out the hole saw, but it looked something like this. Except, you know, slower. But it looks like it'll fit pretty good. So I think I'm just going to use it like this for now, just to see what happens. I was trying to cut out a cover to block out any airflow here, but that changed once my bandsaw blade blew on me. As soon as I lift the blade up any higher than nothing, then the belt is just going to be rubbing up against this channel that I cut for it. So that's not going to work. As well as soon as I change the blade angle, the whole carriage moves, so this isn't going to fit in the space for it either. I got the majority of it boxed in, and I got the 2-inch dust port at the bottom, and hopefully that will take care of the majority of it. The airflow won't be great, but hopefully it'll be better than nothing. I'm hoping it'll contain the dust a little bit better than it has been. Well, anything will be better than what it has been, seeing as how it's just been laying on the floor before.